Hi, I'm Christopher with Funtown RV. Today we are inside our Cleburne fifth wheel showroom. A lot of fifth wheels in here. Today we're going to be looking at the Sandpiper 3660 NB. Come on, let's take a look. One of our first things we're going to be taking a look at is our Rhino fifth wheel. Hitch right here, and then right below that, we're going to be looking at our storage space, which is good for any of your roadside stuff that you will need, any jacks, anything like that that you may need on your roadside, or any extra storage for anything you're going to take on your trip. Right up above top, we have our Lippard 12-volt awning. It is electric awning with our lights underneath. Great for coming out here, enjoying the outside. Then right here, as soon as we get around the corner, we have our propane tanks. Both of them are going to be on this side for easy access. Right next to your propane tanks, we have our spacious storage right here with our TV hookup. We have our outside speakers right here, and right underneath, we're going to have a plug for any electric grill. And then your outside quick connect hose for washing off before you get to go in after a fun day of playing. We have our Ever-Chill outside fridge. Then we'll continue on this way. There's 30 steps right here. And then continuing on this side, we'll have our LP quick connect, and you ask why? The reason being is we have our grill right back here that swings around for quick hookup. We also have our spare course on the back side. And then right here we have our storage for your sewer hose. All right, one of the key features here that you're going to love for this outside of this 3660 MB, we have our wet bay with our water filter, where you're able to control the tanks, and then also dump your black and gray tanks. And there also is a hookup for an outside shower. And then continue on to this side is the opposite side of our large pass-through storage. All right, guys, we took a look at the outside. We're going to head in, but before I do, make sure you like, share, and follow us. Come on, let's go. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining us inside. We have our spacious dinette here with these great windows for taking a view out. The whole reason why we camp is because we enjoy nature. Thomas Paine recliners. Lovely furniture, nice and relaxing. And then circling around this way, also our Thomas Paine fold-out couch. Great for the kids, great for guests. And then we continue on to our TV and fireplace. Great in the wintertime, going to give you some great heat, but then also that ambiance of having that fire. We're going to continue on with our pantry, which is a great pantry, but then it continues on, and I know this is a fan favorite with the drawers that slide out. With our hardtop countertops, cover for our sink right here, this large kitchen sink with also gaining our storage underneath, but then also plenty of drawers. Continuing on with our drawers on this side with those hardtop countertops, our stove and oven for all that cooking inside, and then continuing to our residential fridge, just like you have at home. Extra storage, and then continuing to your little coffee nook right here. And then one of the great features about this one is our fan control. Let's say you just want a little air moving. We have our settings 1, 2, and 3. If you're getting a little hot, you know it's that Texas summer, you can enjoy some cool air. This unit does come with 2 ACs. It controls the living room right here, and then the bedroom will be controlled inside there. So now that we're in our mid-bunk, we're going to have 2 different features in here. We have our top bunk that comes down with these latches right here, and then our bed that folds out right here. But then if you got the kids or guests who want to be able to charge their phone, not only do they have it on the wall, but they also have the hookups right in front of the fold out. With the TV hookup right here, you're going to make sure they enjoy all their entertainment so you guys can sit outside and enjoy yours too. Right here, we're going to open this up. This is going to be our control panel. This is how we control our sides going in and out, as well as our awning, and then checking our tank levels. And then we'll continue up with our touchscreen controls. On this one, this is going to be your LCI control panel. This one's going to control your lighting and your leveling. And then continuing up, we have your ladder for your top bunk and your TV controls and all that in there with the lighting switch right there. So now that we're in our large spacious bathroom, you're going to notice our big walk-in shower with our porcelain toilet that's going to be just like at home, our hard counters, plenty of space. And then right behind me, we're going to have the storage on the slide that'll continue into the bedroom. So follow me. So right here is going to be the storage that continued from the bathroom with plenty of hanging space and drawers for your use. We have plenty of storage above the bed, and then don't forget the storage underneath the bed. Continuing on to this wall, we're going to have our TV backer and then also have our AC control for this bedroom. One of the other key features that a lot of customers love in this camper are going to be the USB and plugs right side the bed on both sides. And then for all you late night readers, we're also going to have those accent lights right underneath your head. That way you're easy book reading. Thanks for watching our walkthrough video on the Sandpiper 3660 MB. Make sure to like, follow, and share, and then remember, the fun starts here.